Not only academics, but Chandigarh University also stays abreast in organizing creative workshops and give accessible opportunities to students to attain practical knowledge. Chandigarh University conducted a creative workshop on how to create outfits without stitching on 2nd November 2019 and invited the famous and well-renowned Bollywood fashion designer Mr. Kawaljit Singh. Students from universities all across India participated and widened their knowledge base. It was a golden opportunity for the budding fashion designers to explore their creativity and learn designing from a different angle.
It's very important, what happens is the regular everyday routine is the sketchings which the faculties teach and a lot of things which concerned about the cuts, the formats and everything. But it's lovely to as guests, from the fashion world. So what happens is it brightens up the student's mind, it gives them a big boost. They are meeting designers one-to-one on one level and learning some new techniques and learning their experience, because everything is if you count in life is experience. I feel is when guests come and there are these fashion shows happening, the students get very encouraged and feel very proud to present their things. That's the chance where they get to show what they have learned. So here I teach them to even do their practical and open up their mind. And I'm doing a concept which is never done by any designer in the world, and that is outfits without stitching. And it's a very proud feeling to be here, because as I was entering and I saw it's huge and it's beautiful, the university, and I'm very proud to be here.
Today with this event, I felt very happy to see one of the forthcoming talent coming in this campus. Pleasure to me for being the part of this great initiative. I would like to say thanks to all of the faculties here for taking up their time to make this kind of events. I wish that these kind of events should happen in future more often, so that we can also interact with the students and we can also interact with some of the other speakers. On behalf of Ion, I wish you all the best to the Chandigarh University.
The performance of the students, I think there are 5-6 teams were there and they all performed very well in different costumes and all that, different apparels and design. And I think very creative and all that.
We attended our draping classes with Kawaljit sir, which was a really great experience. They make us learn very different things which we haven't learned in our practical classes, because this was totally different. In draping, we just knew that how to make a dress just with no stitches but with pins and safety pins, pulse pins and different things.
This is really a good workshop. This kind of workshops are really beneficial for everyone. They know how to create different things. They promote our creativity.
As we have never experienced this kind of workshop, I'm thankful to Chandigarh University that they are providing this kind of workshop to us, which can help us in future.
Today I have gotten a title of Best Costume. So it was really a great experience and I love the university. It was really hygienic and clean. We won for the best costume design. The design was unique and people didn't really get where it came from, but it was really easy and unique. Such events are important for students like us, like we are design students, and we get opportunities to explore ourselves and the new designs, because we get to know about the things out there and obviously we learn from that.
It was a golden opportunity for the budding fashion designers to explore their creativity and learn designing from a different angle. Such initiatives help boost competitive spirit and encourage the students to do better.